Hello pal, I am COVID monitor for class 8. Pal, please type your name. Archit, if you have any symptoms of COVID-19 then please tell. Then please stay at your home and be in the quarantine. Archit, have you washed your hands? Then please go back and come after washing your hands. Thank you for wearing the mask. We have stored your information. You can enter the class 8B.
Okay, so let me explain the basic logic behind this program. I have used two extensions that are machine learning and Datalogger mainly. I have also used a face recognition extension for detecting the face in this program. Okay, so basically to use the extension you must be signed in and your board must be on a while. Okay, so now you can see the extensions from here and you have to add face detection, machine learning and the Datalogger. After selecting these extensions, machine learning extension will show only 3 more buttons, or you can say model. Okay, so how to make a machine learning model? To learn this, click on the I button video that has suddenly been flashed. In that video, I have told you how you can make a basic mask detector. So let's move back to this video. Basically, I have used a machine learning module, or you can say extension, to detect whether I have wear the mask or not, and I have used the Datalogger extension to store this data in the CSV file. So let's see a quick demo. I will click on the green flag and now I will wear the mask. Okay.
Hello pal, I am COVID monitor for class 8. Pal, please type your name.
I will type my name as Rahul.
Rahul, if you have any symptoms of COVID-19 then please tell.
No, I don't have.
Good. Rahul, have you washed your hands?
Yes, I have.
Great. Thank you for wearing the mask. We have stored your information. You can enter the class 8B.
So as you can see, it is saying that he has, or you can say it has stored my information and I can move to the class 8B. Okay, so let's see class 8, because I have named the file this only. Then I will open this file. As you can see, it is showing this type of interface. So as you can see, the name is Rahul and symptoms is no, hand wash is yes, and mask is weird. So as you can see, it is working perfectly. Now if you like this model, then please subscribe our channel, and if you want me to make this model explanation of how I write this whole code, then please comment down below. That's all for that today. In the next video, I will tell you how you can make this robot. Only if there will be 2 to 3 comments. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video, see ya.